Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss example for extremum problems. Find the critical point of a function. So where we have y is equals to 2x over, we have the x squared plus with the 1. Hence, determine the increasing and decreasing interval and state the relative extremum. So step number 1, we have the function y equals to 2x over x squared plus 1. Second step is to find the first derivative. So let's say here we have the u and this one as a v. So we have the dy dx, follow the quotient rule where we have v u prime minus u v prime over v squared. So kindly differentiate the situation. So we have the v x squared plus the 1. Differentiate the u, so we will have 2. Minus, copy the u and we have 2x, and then differentiate the v where we have the 2x. And then over, we have the x squared plus with the 1 bracket square. So dy dx equals to, we have the 2x squared plus with the 2 minus 4x squared over x squared plus with the 1 bracket square. Now let's simplify the situation. So we will have 2 minus the 2x squared over x squared plus with the 1 bracket square. So here we have the first derivative. Continue. Third step, find the critical point. So dy dx is equals to 0. So where we have the situation, 2 minus 2x squared is equals to 0. Then continue, we have 1 minus x squared equals to 0. So 1 minus x, 1 plus with the x. So x is equals to 1, x is equals to negative 1. So kindly substitute the situation. If x is equals to 1, then substitute into this part, so the value of y will be equals to 1. If x is equals to negative 1, substitute the value into this part, so we will have y is equals to negative 1. So where we have the critical point, 1, 1, negative 1, negative 1. So that is what we call the critical point. Hence, by using the first derivative, so step number 4, first derivative, so we have a number line. Locate the value, negative 1 and 1. We have the interval, negative infinity until negative 1, negative 1 until 1, 1 until infinity. Where the 1 and negative 1 is not included, so the suggested value of x would be negative 2, and then 0, and then 2. Make use of the situation. We have the first derivative. If we substitute the value of negative 2, then we will obtain the value, negative value. So if we substitute the 0, then we will have the positive value. If we substitute the value 2, then we will have the negative value as well. So for this case, we have the decreasing, and then increasing, and then decreasing. So for this case, we have to determine the increasing and decreasing interval, then state the relative extremum. So since this is a decreasing, here we have increasing, so this one will be the minimum. Then from here we have the decreasing, so this part will be the maximum. So first, increasing interval. So where we have the situation, negative 1 until 1. For the decreasing interval, so we will have negative infinity until negative 1, where the negative 1 is not included, and also from the 1 until infinity, so where the 1 is not included. Then for the minimum point, so where we have the situation negative 1, negative 1. For the maximum point, we have the point 1, 1. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.